How to add admin to Instagram account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. You cannot directly add admin to Instagram account. Open Instagram account, go to your profile, then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and then you'll find for professional. Click on creator tools and control. For this, your account need to be professional account. You will find connect page in here. If you don't find it here, go back to your profile and then click on edit profile. Scroll down and you'll find page. Click on connect or create beside page. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on continue. After you click on continue, simply log into Facebook at the bottom. After you have clicked on log into Facebook, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on continue. And then select the Facebook page you want to connect and press on connect at the bottom. Then open Facebook and open the same page. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen on the Facebook page. After that, click on settings at the top right, which is beside search button. Then scroll down and you will find page setup. Click on page setup. Then click on page access, which is the second option. After that, click on add new at the top, which is people with Facebook access. After that, press on next at the bottom. Then search for the username of the person you want to add admin as. After you find the person, click on their profile and press on give access at the bottom. And this is how to add admin to Instagram account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.